Hi everybody, I'm Bengu and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be restoring this doll. I recently got her from a second-hand online shop almost, and she's in pretty good condition. I would say the main problem is her hair. Although it looks somewhat okay on camera, there is a texture that I'm not very familiar with, and I will try to remove that. I boiled some water and I let it sit for 5 minutes so it's not boiling hot. I added fabric softener. Since the doll hairs are made out of nylon, fabric softener makes it very shiny and smooth. I let the doll's hair sit in the fabric softener for about an hour, making sure that the product sinks in. After that, I combed gently. I repeated the same process, only this time I let the hair soak for 2 hours. However, the hair did not turn out to be as shiny as I would like, so I applied a little bit of heat protectant oil and used hair straightener. But I really should make a disclaimer on using straightener on doll hair. First try it on a small piece of hair. I suggest choosing a piece that is not on the front and choose the lowest heat setting on the straightener. On my straightener I choose 130 degrees Celsius. I also made sure that each piece is damp before straightening it because you really don't want to straighten a fully dry hair. Here's the end result, and now it's time for the outfit. I made this off-shoulder top recently, and I paired it with this sequin skirt that I just made. It has built-in shorts. There's a shorts video on my channel showing how I made this bag out of cardboard. I will finish her look with 3D printed shoes. And now she's ready for the shelf.